Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to AJF Workouts. Today is Friday. If you follow my channel, you know I post every single Monday, so that's right. Today is a bonus workout, a bonus video, and actually the day I'm filming this, we're halfway through Wednesday, so I'm getting this together really quick for you guys because I run an outdoor boot camp here in Lansing, and yesterday's workout was so good that I had to film it and put it on YouTube today. And I'm leaving for vacation on Friday, today, the day you're watching this. So I wanted to just get it up really quick for you guys before I left. Alright, all I'm going to say about this workout before we get started is that it is full body and you don't need any equipment, so it is perfect for these times that we're in, especially if you're in Michigan. We have no gym access still, all home workouts. You can do this outside, in your basement, in your bedroom, you don't need a ton of space. So before we jump into this workout, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up once you love the workout, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my other workouts. I post new ones usually every single Monday, but every once in a while we get a bonus video, so click that bell so you don't miss them. Alright, let's jump into the workout. Right into it. We have 10 different exercises today that we're doing 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest, and we're going through it twice. So we've got 20 minutes of full body movement here. Get ready. The first exercise we're going to do today is push-up rows. So you're going to be down in a push-up, and you can do this one on your toes, modify on your knees. What you're going to do is push up, row, row, push up. Good. Now in that row, I want you to focus on keeping your elbows squeezed to your side, squeeze your shoulder blade. You should feel like you're lifting the weight of a dumbbell, okay? So straight up, shoulder stays down towards the ground. You don't want it to lift up as you row, okay? So down towards the ground, elbow comes up, squeezes in, down. You're gonna hit both arms before you do your next push-up, okay? I'll show you the rest as we go. So 40 seconds, get ready. We're starting in 5 seconds. Remember, you can modify on your knees. And go. Row, row, push up. Good. If it helps a little bit, you can spread your feet wide. Really press into that other hand. Keep your shoulder facing the ground. Good. Good. Squeeze your shoulder blade. 5 more seconds. Good. All right, now we have internal rotation to Turkish bridge with your right leg. You're going to touch knee to opposite elbow. Keep that leg up. Flip around, arm in the air. And you're coming back, internally rotating, okay? Take it slow until you kind of get the feel of it. 2, 1, go. So right knee to left elbow. Take that leg, swing it all the way back, arm up in the air, and back and twist. Good, that right foot doesn't touch the ground until you're flipped over. Good, this one is challenging, so like I said, take it slow. Left foot and left hand stay planted the whole time. 2, 1, good. All right, shake it out a little bit. We have marching glute bridges on your back. Again, we're gonna be on our right leg. So right leg out straight, you're gonna push through your left leg. Glute bridge, touch your knee, bring it back down. Get ready, go. Good. Tight core when you draw that knee in. Try not to release all your weight at the bottom. You can tap your foot. Good, push through that burn. So I'm hitting your glute, your hamstring. This time through, we're going to use our right leg for everything. Next time through, we'll switch to left. And rest. Good. All right, flip over. So you have dolphin planks. You're going to be on your forearms. You're going to let your hips drop. Then you're going to use your abs to pick it back up. Hips drop. Use your abs to pick it back up. Good. So you're not fully arching your back. Your chest stays still. You're just dropping your hips, pushing it back up. When you push it back up, you're squeezing your ribs, squeezing your core. Pretend like you're trying to fold your ribs in half. Everything sucks up. Back to that plank. Good. Good, you got it. Push through. This workout is challenging, but you got it. 10 seconds. Good, and rest. Stand up. Now again with your right leg, you're gonna go into a right lunge. In your heel, you're taking that same right leg back behind curtsy, so you're alternating side lunge to curtsy lunge. All on your right leg. Good, get ready. Go. Side lunge, bring that right leg behind you, curtsy lunge, good. Keep your core tight. When you keep your core tight during these moving exercises, you really work on your stability. It helps you keep form, keep control. Good, you got it. Two, one. All right, down on the ground. Right arm is in the air, left hand, fingertips away from you. You're gonna reach up, lean towards your left hand, come back. Don't set your butt all the way down on the ground. Good, 3, 2, 1, go. So you're going up, hips towards the ceiling, twist towards that shoulder. Now take this one a little bit slow. Test your mobility. If you don't get it all the way up here, that's okay, even if it's out here. Keep your core tight. You're gonna feel this one kind of in your love handle area. So keep your core tight. Protect your lower back. Good, and rest. Flip around, we're doing another plank. This time your right leg's forward. Right leg is fully on the ground. Left leg's on your toe. You're gonna lift everything up and put it back down. 3, 2, 1, good. Everything comes up, knee to chest, heel to your glute. You're gonna feel this one in your hamstring, in your shoulders, and in your core. Good. Imagine squeezing your leg with your rib cage. Really suck it up there. Good. Heel to glute. Make sure you're getting that hamstring work in too. Then you can rest as long as you need to. Between reps, pace yourself but push yourself. Good, and rest. All right, this time we're doing a reverse extended plank. So you're gonna start in your plank. You're gonna walk your feet back as far as you feel comfortable. Doesn't have to be this far. Then walk your toes all the way back into that plank. Go. So walking your feet back. Walking your feet back into that plank. When you're in that plank, stay there for a second. Make sure you regain your balance, regain your focus, and walk back out. Good, and rest. All right, bear crawl kickouts are next. You're gonna be in a bear crawl. So on your hands and knees, tuck your toes, and hover your knees off the ground, okay? You're gonna kick through, tap your foot with your hand, back to the center, kick through, back to the center. Go. So we're alternating here. Good. Now if kicking your leg is too much, you can twist, keep both legs on the ground, put one arm in the air, and then come back. Good. Work your way up. Modify how you need to. This is still going to be a really great workout. One more exercise after this until we repeat. 2, 1, good. All right, stand up. All right, we have lunge backs. So this is different than a reverse lunge. You're gonna start with your feet together. We're moving with our right leg. You're gonna lunge diagonally backward. Toe comes up on your left foot, sit into your right heel. Come back to the middle. Diagonal, back to the middle. Good, join me. We're staying on the right leg the whole time. Good. You got it, we're almost halfway through. Told you it wasn't gonna be easy. Full body work here. Good, this one again, keep your core tight, it'll help you with control as you come forward and go back. 5 seconds. And rest, good. We're taking a 40-second rest here before we repeat the circuit, so don't sit down, shake it out a little bit, grab a drink of water. Again, remember we're doing that whole thing this time on the left side, just for the exercises that are body part specific. All right, remember we started with the push-up row, so you're gonna push up, row left, row right. This is what your shoulder blade should look like. Elbow in, squeezing your shoulder blade. 5 seconds, get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Remember to modify on your knees as you need to. And modifications don't have to be all or nothing. You can do 5 on your knees and 1 up on your toes. You can do every other. You can do 10 on your knees and 1 on your toes. Whatever helps you build up that strength. Good, last time through each one of these exercises. 8 seconds. 2, 1, and rest, good. Shake it out a little bit. We're doing internal rotation to Turkish bridge. On your left leg, so left knee to right elbow. Swing it all the way around. Arm up in the air. And back to twist. 3, 2, 1, go. Internal rotation. Leg comes up and around. Arm up in the air. Back to twist. Good. Nice, slow, and controlled here. Whew, I'm sweating. Good. 8 seconds. And rest. Good. Whew. Shake it out, down on your back for glute bridge on your left leg. So left leg is out straight. You're gonna bridge up, tuck your knee in, and back down. Good. 3, 2, 1, and go. Good, core tight. Good, keep going. Push through the burn. And rest. Good, flip around into your forearm plank. Dolphin planks. So you lower your hips, bring it all back up. Adjust your hips, keep your shoulders in line. Good, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Hips drop, squeeze it all back up, good. And rest, good, stand up. Side lunge to curtsy lunge, ooh, flipping. So this time it's on your left leg, so you're gonna side lunge on your left leg, take that same left leg, curtsy lunge, good. 2, 1, go. Good. Weight in your heel when you do that side lunge. Drop straight down in that curtsy lunge. Keep your chest up. Five seconds. Good, down on the ground. Single arm tripod. So this time you're on your left arm. You're bridging up and back down. Good. Whew, 5 seconds before we go. 3, 2, 1. Good. Left arm up. Good, keep it going. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good, shake it out, flip around. We're going into plank knee ups. This time your left knee is forward, right leg is back. Bringing your left knee up and back down. Good. You have 7 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Good, remember heel to glute. Use your hamstring. Knee to chest. Think about crushing your leg with your rib cage. Everything sucks up. Good. 7 seconds. And rest. All right, extended planks. You're up in a plank. Walking your legs backward. Far out as you're comfortable. You'll walk it back up. Good, you still have 7 seconds. 3 exercises left, you got this. 1 minute of work. 2, 1, go. 1, and rest. Good. Bear crawl kick throughs. On your hands and knees hovering. You're gonna kick through. Keep your balance. And switch sides. Good. 10 seconds before we go. 2 exercises left. Good. 3, 2, 1. Up. Hover your knees. Kick through. Back to the middle. Kick through. Good, 6 seconds. Whew, I'm dripping. 1, and rest. Good, stand up. This time lunge backs on your left leg. So start with your feet together, diagonally back, up onto your right heel, back to the middle. Good, shake it out, breathe it out. We have 6 seconds left. Oh, you know, I was giving us credit. Go. I was thinking each one was only 20 seconds. It was 40, so we have 40 seconds left to work. When I said a minute, I was kind of lying. Good. Weight in your left heel. Make sure you pop your right toes up when you come back. Keep your chest up, keep your core tight, nice and controlled. Good, keep it going. We're almost there. We're almost done with this workout. And done. Good job, guys. Whew. Awesome job powering through that workout. It was not an easy one. I will tell you now, from doing it twice in a row, 2 days in a row, it's rough. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it but found it really challenging, I encourage you to relax, rest, stretch it out, and come back to this video. Repeat it. This is a really great full body workout to do during quarantine. If you don't have any equipment, we're not in the gym, straight up 20 minutes, it will rock your body. So, I post new videos every single Monday, but since this is a bonus video coming out on a Friday, I won't see you in a week, I'll see you in 3 days. So, bye.